welcome to Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. I'm taking part in the useful DIY challenge Stash or Trash to Treasure hosted by Momdas Life Handmade and Lori Bly DIY. Both channels and the playlist will be in the description box below. I dove into my recycling stash and I grabbed some paper packaging as well as a tin lid. I'm starting off by applying some chalk paint to the lid. I would typically use some spray paint, but I'm all out of my spray paint that I like to use, and I'm trying to use up my stash that I have on hand. I generously apply 2 coats of the paint and let it dry well. I have 2 shades of green craft paint, and I am going to randomly apply it all over this piece of paper packaging, and then I will set it aside to let it dry well. I take another piece of paper packaging and I'm going to be cutting 1-inch wide strips as well as 2-inch wide strips, and they're both approximately 20 inches long. I take the paper strips and I scrunch them and twist them and turn them to turn them into a strand of paper twist. I then take my paper twists and I am going to be rolling the paper in on itself to create a flower shape. I'll use some hot glue along the edge and I roll it along, and that'll help adhere it and to help the paper hold its shape. Once you've got the desired size for your paper flower, you're just going to tack down the loose ends on the underside of the flower. Feel free to use a tool to help hold those glue ends into place. I'm now using some shades of coral, peach, and cream craft paints. And I am going to randomly apply these paints to my paper flowers. Let your flowers dry well. Now I'm going to be using some preserved reindeer moss and some branches, and I am going to randomly hot glue these to the tin. I'm just going in with my hot glue gun and applying some glue to any loose pieces. Now I will cut some leaf shapes out of my green painted paper. I'm going to be cutting out random shapes and sizes. Now I'm going to adhere the leaves and the roses randomly around my tin. Add lots of glue just to help keep everything in place. Go back in underneath, again adding lots of hot glue to help hold everything into place. forgot to show that I had glued a piece of string to the back side so I can hang it on my wall. Thanks to Momdas and Lori and my fellow creators, and thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.